was the show. So, yeah, we're just like Billy and out east there. Yeah, we got the same thing.
Well, stay warm, hunker down, call back. We're here.
Yeah. Thank you both. You're
you.
most
Love you guys.
lovely. Both.
Thank
I
you.
love you.
Yeah.
Thanks. Bye.
Thank you. Love you. Bye.
I love my clients.
Can you do a lot in a little bit of time?
Let's
we
do
have
it.
2 minutes. I want to talk about the lip scrub because lips are like the bane of my winter existence.
Oh, yes.
Plus lips overall, like everything as we're getting older shrinks, loses its color, and just gets rougher and lipstick skips. So this is your key to that. But then if we have time, I want you to throw the Essence demo back in because
totally do that.
Claudette was raving about loving the Essence.
Yeah, you know what? While I'm talking about the lip scrub, let's pop over to Amy because she's gonna apply it live and we'll see a before and after of what it does for her beautiful, already beautiful lips. Just looks better. But this is going to, you see that little bit of graininess and that texture that you saw when I pulled this up? That's actually ground up konjac fruit, which is a type of plant in Japan. And it's mixed with Japanese peach seed. And those two together is bound by camellia oil. So you're getting all these beautiful oleic acids from an oil that is the best probably for your skin, which is why so many people in Japan actually cook with camellia oil as well. And geisha women used to use lip packs with it. But do you see how Amy, literally not even 10 seconds, completely gone. We're gonna see a tight shot of her before, which we took before the show, and now of what just a light exfoliation does for the skin.
And now, her lipstick, her lip balm, her lip gloss glides on like a beautiful, smooth piece of glass.
The color, look at the color. Holy cow, and the structure of her lips, they just look bigger because they've been
I
treated.
find the lines and wrinkles are harder to see and identify, which means your lipstick will not find them, sink into them, and then, you know, make you look older.
Correct.
So that's the lip. We've talked about the water cream. Again, the Essence, which is $110 that Claudette said I think was the first thing she ever tried, and she now has to have 3 backup bottles at all times.
I love it.
So now, since this is free, you're welcome. This is free, $110. Here's this demo that shows what the Essence does, because instead of a spray toner, it's a press-it-in, firming, plumping kind of toner step.
Yeah, so what you're seeing here represents the skin. This is the top layer of the skin. Everything underneath is the deeper layers. I'm applying the Essence to your skin, swelling it with the superfoods. Again, that's been fermented because when you ferment anything, it really unlocks its potential. So you're plumping it, you're softening it. Alone, you've done so much for the skin, adding 620% hydration. Now what I apply here is going to represent all the serums, creams, moisturizers, all of that investment for your skin. Holy cow, where's it going? Is it sitting on your skin or is it going to the deeper layers where we know it's doing the best work?
This is the top of your skin. And when you put on your moisturizer, your anti-aging serums, and anything meant to reverse the hands of time, that, the way it just took it down deep, 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 that
Insane.
is why Essence is awesome. Because all of your skincare that you apply after you apply the Essence grabs onto the Essence and rides the water slide down into your skin.
Oh, and by the way, it adds 620% improvement in hydration immediately. You're thinking, is it gonna work for me? It will, because 100% of our users saw it.
By the way, I like this. We only have a couple things left in the show to bring you. In fact, I think we only have 1 item left in the show. Let me give you a couple updates. In our Dooney